Hey guys, Nellie from Be Planner Happy here. We are continuing decorating our monthly layout planner. We've already done our dashboard page. We did our daily task pages. There's Plan With Me videos for both of those. Today we're going to do our notes pages, which I'm going to kind of say can also be used, you know, like the layout we're going to do can probably work for someone who does like creative journaling also, because that's pretty much what I use these pages for. So we're using, continuing with the Live Love Posh stickers, and this is what we've got left over. Now these are from a different sticker book, so, but they're kind of the same colors. That's why I've included them in here, and I might use some of those. But we've got these, and we've got these over here. And then we're using some washi, and let's just move right along. So we've been doing the blue at the top, and I did like how we paired this one with the sort of like the darker, you know, what color is that, like coral? So let's do a little bit of that. Whoa, I've got a huge stack over there on the other side. Let's see. Let's start out with kind of framing our page, right? And the way that I did that one was I didn't go all the way to the top. So we can go ahead and take this off here. And that's, I guess the May is fine, but I'll just take it off anyway. All right, so let's start by putting down our blue, which I'm just in love with this blue. It is so vibrant. Oh, and an update about my hair. The people did not call me back. The lady had said she was going to call me back, and then I waited and waited, and nobody called me. So this morning, I sent a message on their Facebook page, you know, like a private message. And I explained the situation that I had called yesterday. Nobody called me back. And I also included pictures of my hair so that they could see. And if you didn't watch the previous video, basically I went and got my hair done, and I got some highlights, and I ended up with 3 stripes down the back of my head, and it looks ridiculous. So anyway, so finally someone messaged me back, and they apologized that I didn't get a call back yesterday, yada yada, and I'm scheduled to go back on the 10th to have it fixed by a girl that my mom had previously gone to. That's why I went to that salon anyway, because my mom had been there and they did a good job, and it's a nice salon, you know, it's got a good reputation around here. I just happened to get the one girl that was there only a week, and apparently she, you know, did not have a good day. Maybe she does fine other days, but the day I was there, she did not do good. So if anybody wants to see my hair, feel free to, you know, send me a direct message on my Instagram or my Facebook at Be Planner Happy, and I will share with you what my hair looks like. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not like horrible, but it's bad enough to where when they saw the pictures, they, she was like, oh, okay, yeah, you can come in and we'll fix that. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to start with this, and then we've got all of these cute things around here. I like her, so maybe I'll do a floor. Let's do a floor, and I think I'm going to do, do I want to do the same, or do we want to do something different? I just feel like it's too light, you know? Let's see. Yeah, I think I just want to continue kind of with the same. Let's see, maybe we line it up here. And the difference is going to be, let's see, I'm lining it up on the bottom, that bottom line for writing. And now it looks crooked. Why? And then I think I'm going to do like the peach on top of it. You know, like right above it. Why isn't this working? All right, it's pretty much on the bottom. So I think I'm just going to line it up with the bottom just to make it easier. And that way I don't have to trim anything. I'm just going to do it right on the bottom. Like that. Okay. And like this. And then the other side. Right here. Like that. Anyway. So yeah, that's what's been going on with my hair. And Mia has decided to join in. I don't know what she wants. She's actually in the room. And my door's open, so she's got no reason to be complaining about anything. Maybe she's just telling me, stop talking, Mom. She's a little bossy. All right. That looks cute. I like it. I just love that blue. That blue is just like, it just pops and it looks really good. Okay, and I think I'm almost out of this one. It's like I get happy when I use up a washi, but then I get sad too because I used up all of that washi. But I'm glad because, I mean, some of this stuff, you know, you got to use it so that you can make room for all the other stuff you're buying. Yeah, what are you doing? Okay. So I think I'm going to save these, and we're going to use those on the monthly, you know, the month view, whatever page. So I think I want to do a scene with her, and maybe she can be between these two things, right? I think that'll look neat. Do I want to put them, let's see, let me just start with her. Where's my scissors? I just cleaned them so that they would be nice and not sticky. Let's do like this. Okay. And I don't know, let's just put her here. Well, let me put her a little bit over. And then this one, since this is like all on the floor, I'm thinking let's put this one with her, and then this one can be like over here. Let's try that. Okay, just to take off some of that white. And I think I'm going to want to put like something here, so let's put something next to her. This is kind of pretty. I thought about doing these. Maybe those will go here. Let's see. No, doesn't go. That one will probably be on the monthly page. Let's see. These. See, those look really small compared to her, so that doesn't look right to me. And this one looks really big compared to her, right? That one's a monster. And like, do they go together? And it kind of looks cute, like a little grouping, huh? Although it doesn't make sense because they're big, but I kind of like how it looks grouped. Kind of like how it looks. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, let's try, we've got these too. Maybe these are going to go like on the sides with this dark blue. I like that. So let me do some of that first, since I'm having a hard time placing where I want these. Or, you know what, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do it. Let's cut this off. Cut this off. All right. And this one's going to go here. And then I do want to group these. I just think they look kind of neat together. So let's cut off the bottoms like this. And then I am going to trim this white a little bit so that it's not so white up against the other one. So it's a little white, but not a lot. Okay, I'll put this one here. And then this one here. I don't know, I kind of like how that little grouping looks. So let's see, next to her, I feel like she needs something right here. And that's that big one. Let's try one of these. I mean, it's kind of huge. Let's see. Yeah, that looks kind of weird, right? All right, well, let's switch to flowers, and then we'll see what happens with the rest. Okay. This is gorgeous. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Does it match though? I mean, it kind of does. Let's just put it, and then we'll worry about if it matches later. I like it. Okay. And maybe I should save some of this, because we might want to put it, you know, somewhere else. So let's do like this. Okay. And I'm going to save those pieces there. All right. And then let's do another one. Ooh, I wish I had like 2 pages of this. Let's see, this one. Or should this one go here? I kind of feel, oh, this is pretty too. Let's do this one up here. just because of the way that the leaves are. I think they work here like that. Let's cut it off. So this is sort of like the, you know, the creative journal page of the monthly spread. That's how I use it. Okay, I like this. This is like really pretty. I don't know how that's supposed to be. Like this. I want it here. I kind of feel like, ooh, I like that, the way it was hanging down. Like this. I like that. Alright, that one's going there. Ah, I ripped it. It stuck to my finger. Ah, can we save it? How does it go? Where's my tweezers? I need to go find my tweezers. Hold on, let me go get my tweezers so I don't continue to mess it up. Okay, I got my tweezers. So we just need to put this under here like that. Like it never even happened. Okay. All right, let's try to cut this delicately. Oh, look at that. I'm like completely off. Oh well. We'll see what that looks like here in a minute. Hope I didn't ruin it. I'm gonna cut it in half first. And we'll see how it looks. I'm not gonna worry about saving these little pieces here. All right. I think it'll look okay. Okay, so, and I love this. This one's like so pretty. Where can this one go? Here. Look, I was about to tear it again. There. I think I kind of want it here. Like this. I'm just going to put it down. Right there. And then let's get some of this off because I think I'm going to use that other side. All right. And this side, let's see. Does it go okay here? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna see this little. You know what? I'm gonna cut a little bit of this little thing off here. And let's just cover that white part. Whoop. Put it, come on. Gotta place it perfectly so that we don't have any of the white showing. There. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like the dramatic, you know, that like dramatic color. All right, this one's very pretty. And you know what? We can probably use this somewhere too. I don't know where though. That will look down right there. I don't know. We'll see if we even need it. All right, let's use this one. It's pretty. Do we want it? Do we want to continue down the middle, or do we want to go this way, or maybe this way? This. I think I'm just going to put this one here, like that. And then we'll see what we do with the other side. Okay, this one. Do we want to put it here? I think it should go over here. Let's just put it here. Okay, and then let's go with this one. I think I'm going to put this one, or do I want to put this one here? Like, oh, and I've got this piece too. That piece, or that piece over here. Let's do this piece here. And I'm going to cut it. I think that's okay. And then this piece here, kind of like this one, like this. Okay. Yeah, so this one I need to cut it. Might be look kind of weird though, huh? Maybe I should put it under this. Do like that. And then this one goes over it. That looks better. And then this one is like this. All right. And I don't think this needs to go anywhere. I mean, I guess we could like just do a little piece here so it goes all the way to the bottom. And maybe this one here. Let's look this up. I'm gonna put that one right here. And like that. Okay. All right. I think I like it. So I've got these little bitty ones. Should we, or let's see, maybe we do one of these, like next to her. It kind of matches. I just feel like she's, I don't know, needs something else. I think this one can go here. I feel like I want like a quote or something. So I'm probably going to pause it and get a quote. Let's see. This one. Oh, hold on one second. My husband's calling me. Let me pause it. Okay, sorry about that. My husband called me. We just got some new American Express cards, and he went to use it, and it wouldn't work. It's so embarrassing, but it's obviously something. I mean, we just, you know, whatchamacallit, activated it today. So I've got these little bitty ones. I don't know, maybe I'll save these and use them on the monthly page. But I did add this with the little flower, which I thought looked cute. And then maybe we can add this one here. I kind of like this one too. So I'm just going to cut it. And I'm going to put it, let me get a little more of that white off of there. And then I'm going to go look for like a quote or something. I don't know. I just feel like we need a little quote. Okay. I think I like it. All right, let me go find a quote and I will be right back. Okay, so I found two quotes that I like. I'm going to have to like kind of play with them though. And then I like this one. I like this one that says follow your dreams. And I like that it's kind of has, you know, most of the colors that we're using here. It's got like this color and it's got the dark blue. And I think that will look good right here. So like that, follow your dreams. And then I like this one mostly because it's peach. And I really wanted more of the peach color. And it says do all things in, and I'm guessing, you know, that means love. But the red doesn't match. So I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to put this one here. And then they've got this peach heart. So I'll just do like that. Okay. And I am done with this page. I think we need to just put the little things at the top here so that we can get it into our planner. Okay. And then let's put the planner. Way. And this came out so pretty, y'all. There we go. So now my journal pages are ready for me to write down whenever anything interesting happens or anything that I want to remember. And then here's all of our daily pages. I need to get this done today because today is the 1st. And I had to write down everything on the side so that I can still take a picture. So now I'm going to do this one, and that one will be a separate video, so be sure to look for that. I'll probably upload them both on the same day, and if not, then definitely the notes pages, and then this page will be the next day. But I'll probably, I think I should maybe do them both. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please, you know, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Bye.